4 turns for the final time. And the Paul Britton 44 for 2021-22 will go to Toddy Hobson.
Alrighty, on the GoPro now. Washing up after a big win, moving on. We're racing tomorrow. Got the boys over here doing the panels we took off and all the tyres. That's all pretty much nearly done. I've soaked the car up. Dad's on there, helping out doing that as well. So yeah, all of that really wash. And yeah, get together. Yeah, on the Grafton tomorrow. We just turned the car around, did a bit of a rough wash on it, as you saw last night. Reblocked it. We did some stuff in the rear last night, so that's all reset. New racing oil. New racing oil in it. Got that in and checked it all, bolt check. We're all good to go. We had a bit of a drama with the truck, so thanks to Schofields helping us out. We had, yeah, that's why we're running a bit late now. It's 3:30 and we got to be at a racetrack in an hour, 5 o'clock start. So she's going to be tight, but we'll give her a go. Alrighty, car's pretty much prepped on our way here now. Pretty much ready to throw it right rear on. I've got a pretty decent base set up here, pretty much where we started last time. So, oh wow. Thought it was really efficient to get the car done as we rolled out. So, yeah, truck had a crook battery and some other little things, the wiring wrong with it. So, fix that up and yeah, let's get her out of Grafton and hopefully, yeah, we'll be in the draws. I'm not sure yet. I'm not fussed to at the back. We have showed up late. We lost 3 hours today getting this truck fixed, and yeah, it's been a grind. But alrighty, I am wrecked. We got it ready at Scully's. Massive thanks to them. They saved us big time. We literally just rolled her out, put a big tyre on her. We can't fit that in the truck. Run it up, made it get up to temp, and here we are. Had an 8P1, so just gonna keep an eye on what the track's doing. I'm just gonna sort of get me breath for a second. With us, it pretty much made o'clock this morning. The team's got a great job. So yeah, get her out there. It's pretty tricky to pass, so we're just going to try and get a result. That just showed 0 to 0. Heat 1, we started 8th, finished 8th. Had the nose digging in the drown and all that. It was a bit of a mess. Yeah, that was full on bottom out in the track. So we're going to heat 3 now we're in. So we missed heat 2, but we're in heat 3 now. Let's get it tuned up. We're a bit free then, so we'll get it done there. It's pretty slick at the moment. They're just digging the top up. But the old boys said there. There's your answer. Hopefully the sun down now, that'll bring it back a little bit at least. A bit of holes, never hurt anyone. So don't think it'll be like last meeting, but we'll definitely put our head down and see what we can do in this last heat at a 1. was bloody eventful. I don't know why I can't just string a nice race together. I don't think I showed him his second heat. I stripped the wheel center literally at the checkers, so I lost second at the line. I was just running second all race. I was a bit free. So yeah, result last night, I was a little disappointed in where we ended up, but thankful at the same time it happened when it did. We had a massive thrash. I don't know if I showed this, but I will again. Yeah, wheel center is a bit stuffed. I'd find the wheel nut, but I don't know where it is. Yeah, rounded the right rear wheel in the second heat, and then we thrashed to get out. It was like 3 races between final, the heat in the final was thereabouts. There wasn't a lot of time. It felt like no time at all. So yeah, we're rolling around top 3. We sort of were literally in contention to sort of at least get second, and if not the lead, if the luck went our way. But yeah, this fuel ran out. Just sort of got literally right under Josh Rose, and then it went brrr. And then I looked up at the lap counter, 6 to go still, so I just putted around the infield, and as you've seen, I got pipped 51 Andrew Firth in the, I think it's a Penrite car. Yeah, at the line. I was very irritated at first. Like, I could just held third, and if the finish line was back where the start line is, it probably would have been a different story, but that's where it is. So, as you saw, I got a little mad in the video, but yeah, thankful I finished now. We'll just go on to the next one.